Hi, Hari is an active angel investor and works closely with founders and founding teams of startups where he leads as an investor. www.mira.com is an augmented reality company who specialize in creating AR-based shopping experience for consumers of brands. Samosa Party is a QSR company based out of Bengaluru and has over 40 outlets in multiple cities. Railofi is a company that provides food delivery services to passengers of Indian Railways. They are based out of Mumbai and operate in several railway stations in the country. Biggie's Burger is a burger brand with over 70 outlets in several parts of the country. Auntie Fungs is a pan-Asian street QSR with operations in Bengaluru and Gurgaon. Brevastay is a hotel booking platform who provide anytime check-in and anytime check-out for travelers. They have over 5,000 hotels in their platform. Chiliza is a vegetarian pizza brand with 12 stores in Mumbai. They have dine-in and cloud kitchens. Toffee Coffee Roasters is a specialty coffee brand who sell directly to consumers. Marot Drones is a company specializing in application of drones for agriculture. They are based out of Hyderabad. Hari is also active with the founders of House of Biryan, Hire Camp, Mimozo and Suttas. Thank you for watching this.